Bye-bye.
Merry Christmas!
Ito po yung pamasko namin.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye. Mama
We are signing off.
Signing off namin. Thank you for the opportunity po. Guys, ano may kakugyan si Ramil Tara kami, amo sa kitik time. Guys, muna na among gibiyaan karon diri sa kusina mo na ni ang iyang forma guys ha. Ay saloy. Nya dinhi kani mo na diha siya, muna na among dispa Then ang mga logbooks, then sa ating oven, Onox, sa atong stoves, datay tunga nakabihain, nakalira na yan. And yan, then ang atong freezer. Hindi na itong electric fan. So guys, muna mong gibiyaan diri guys ha. Muna mong gibiyaan karon. So, kana sa itong yan na po ang ating mga So, by the way, okay, I'm DJ Louie po. I wanna say this December 1, 2024. Wanna say signing off of Mama Celia po. Thank you so much Mama Celia. Ito po yung history ko po dito ng kusina first and foremost po. Almost 2 years po ako dito ng kusina na to guys. And I want to say thank you for the moment and for the time, the opportunity for having here. And thank you po, Mama Celia. Nakapagbigay po talaga for almost 2 years po. Na-survive ko po yung as a leader. Then, na-show kong talent ko po dito. And thank you so much. Ito po yung station namin dito guys, ng kusina ng Mama Celia po. I want to say thank you for the opportunity for having me. To the honor of Mama Celia, thank you so much for the opportunity for trusting me to being a leader of your Kitsing po. And marami pong salamat. I want to say bye-bye and signing off of Mama Celia. Thank you so much, DJ Louie, once again.